Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, the lion's share. The lion's share. There we are, let's get a lion. There we are, a lion's share. There we are. The majority of something. So that could be like 51% plus of something. Yeah, the majority. Here we are. Yes. We found the lion's share of books and knowledge. Yes. Yeah, how cool is that? They got the lion's share of wealth. Yes. The majority of it. Absolute pile of it. A lot of it. Look at that. The majority of the wealth. Yeah. We have the lion's share of the team. Yeah, we have. Well, I have the majority of the team members on my side. Yeah. It is the lion's share of talent. Of talent and skill. They work for me. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. With the lion's share of the tools, we can do anything. The lion's share of tools, yeah. When we have the lion's share of cars, we can carry all the things easier. Yeah. When we have the majority of stuff. Without the lion's share of anything. People, cars, tools, phones, books, rocks, water. Without the lion's share of water, we can't get across the desert easily. Yeah, it'll be hard without the majority of the water. It will be hard to do unless we have the majority of the water. How cool is that? Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use a lion's share in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.